Today I am a determined man. My dryer stopped working. From what I can find on the internets, it sounds like a broken belt. So I have to take this thing apart and see if this is indeed the case. And yes, it is indeed the case. And here is the old belt. I guess I can't complain too much. It lasted over 10 years. Let's hope the new belt lasts half that long. And here is the new belt. The belt has to go around this pulley and idler here before it goes around the drum. I'm not sure, but it seems like there's a lot of play on this drum. But I am determined, and I'm going to get this belt on. The felt gasket that goes around the drum is very badly worn and broken, so I'm going to replace it with this one. I have to admit it's going to be kind of a pain, but I am a determined man, and I've come this far. I'm going to finish the job. By the way, here's a little side tip. If you have one of these old fold-out tables, do not throw it away. If you see them at yard sales or garage sales, pick them up. They come in handy as hell when you want to hold awkward large pieces like this. But anyway, it's time to get this thing put back together again. Now step back and admire your work. Your determination got you here. You have the right to take a little pride in what you've done. That's right, a little determination goes a long way.